In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack, step by step. Geekbot. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to gather input from your team using a simple message. I'll keep things practical and clear so you can follow along in any workspace. First, open Slack and head to the place where you want feedback. This can be a channel if you're polling a group or a direct message if you're coordinating with one person or a small subset. Pick the space where the decision actually needs to be seen. Public team channels are great for broad visibility. Private channels or DMs are better when the audience is limited. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, and double-check the message field at the bottom of the screen is active. That's where we'll type the command. Next, in the message field, type the command /geekbot. That's a forward slash followed immediately by the word geekbot. As you start typing, Slack usually shows a command suggestion, which is a good sign you're using the right shortcut. You don't need to click anything else here, just stay in the message box. Typing this command tells Slack to hand off the next part of your message to Geekbot, which is the app that will handle the poll. If your workspace has several tools installed, using the / command keeps things unambiguous and fast. Right after the command, write your question clearly. For example, what time works for the meeting? Add specifics that help people answer without guessing. Include the date and time zone if that matters, like Thursday, 2-3 p.m. Eastern. Keep it short, direct, and neutral. When your question looks good, press Enter to send. Slack will process the command, and Geekbot will respond by turning your message into a lightweight poll or by guiding you through any prompts your workspace uses. Either way, your teammates will see it right where you posted it and can respond from there. A few quick tips to get better responses. Write the question so it fits on one line, avoid jargon, and mention constraints up front so people don't pick times you can't do. If you're coordinating across regions, always include the time zone to prevent mix-ups. You can reference the original message thread later to summarize the outcome. That's all there is to it. Go to your channel or DM, type /geekbot, ask your meeting time question, and hit Enter. Thanks for watching and happy polling.